And one major thing I want to speak is about the transfer of Panchayat secretaries. We have in Bastora, I think it's something unique, where we have a magnetic secretary. Why I use the word magnetic is because after transfer, this secretary comes back, because I know only magnets have that power of attraction. And this magnetic secretary has been there for 9 years. I had brought it to the attention of the government in 2023, and the government was pleased to transfer the secretary. But magnetic powers that this secretary has, I don't know what is the fatal attraction, because you know a magnet cannot work on a singular this thing. It has to have an attraction. The other pole has to attract. Where is that pole attracting? I don't know. But I think this, I request 9 years is a long time. Why you want to come back? What is your personal interest in the matter? If you love to sit in one post, naturally suspicions arise. And then your behavior also changes. And that is why people came to me and told me about these issues.